I'm going to show you guys how to crochet a toddler size scrunchie today. I made an adult version from another creator's pattern, and then I just wanted to make a matching one for my daughter. So I came up with this cute little mini version, and I thought I'd just share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what you need. I'll be using a bulky weight 5 velvet yarn, a 5mm hook, some scissors, a yarn sewing needle, and some seamless baby hair ties that I got off Amazon. Alright, so to get started, we are going to take our yarn and our hair tie, and we're going to put the yarn through the hair tie and tie a knot. And I like to tie 2. So we are going to single crochet all around our hair tie. So to get started, we are going to put our hook through our hair tie, and we're going to grab our yarn and pull it through the hair tie and yarn over and pull through. And that's just to get us started, all right? So now we're just gonna single crochet all around. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that nice and slow. So we're gonna take our hook and go through our hair tie, and grab our yarn and pull it through. So we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So again, we're going to go into our hair tie, grab our yarn, pull it through the hair tie. We have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go into our hair tie, grab our yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pull through both. And we are just going to continue that until our whole hair tie is covered in single crochets. So we're going to find our first single crochet, and we're going to put our hook through both of those loops, grab our yarn, pull it through, and do a slip stitch, so pull right through. Alright, so now we're going to be placing 4 half double crochets in each single crochet around. So I started with a chain 1, so here we are. Yarn over to chain 1, and we're going to start with going right into that single crochet that we slip stitched in, and we're going to place 4 half double crochets. So we're going to do that by yarning over. We're going to go through, grab our yarn, and now we have 3 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So yarn over, go into our stitch, grab our yarn, pull it through. We have 3 loops. We're going to pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into our stitch, grab our yarn and pull it through. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into that same stitch, grab our yarn, pull through. We have 3 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So there's 4 in 1 stitch. We're going to continue that all the way around. So the next one's going to be really close to where we ended, practically kind of half covered. So you're going to find your stitch, and we're going to place 4 again. So I'm going to speed this up now, okay? our next stitch is always going to be kind of like underneath a half double crochet. So it wants to look like this is the next stitch, but we're actually one right before it. Not this one here, but this one almost covered by the half double crochets. All right, last one. All right, excuse me. So we are going to go into the first half double crochet that we placed right here. We're gonna go under both loops, grab our yarn and slip stitch. So pull through, and then we're gonna cut and tie off. All right, so there is your little toddler scrunchie. I'm gonna trim this here while I'm here. That was the bit that we crocheted over. All right, so we're just going to weave our end in now. So we're gonna take our sewing needle Getting it through the needle might be the hardest part today. All right. Somebody please tell me that that is like relatable. Okay, so we're just gonna go through and weave in our end. So I just fed my needle through the half double crochets, and you can see we're in the middle because we can't see the needle in here on this side or on this side. And we're gonna just go through. All right, so I'm just gonna trim that now. If you want to weave in more, go for it. I'm just trying to make it a little quicker for the video, but there you have it. There is your little scrunchie. I think they're so flipping cute, like seriously. You know, the ends always of the velvet yarn, like mine just kind of like pieces away, which annoys me at first, but it stops after you do it. So just explaining why I have all the little fluffer nuffers there. But this is your little crochet scrunchie for your toddler. I think they're super cute. I am gonna film a big kids scrunchie as well, because I made one in a little bigger size as well. But this could be either for your toddler or great if you have short hair. They're just little minis. In comparison, let me pull mine out of my hair. Here is mine, probably along with some hair. But here is my scrunchie. I wear this like all the time. So there is your size difference between our adult and our little BB. So happy crocheting. If you guys want to share what it turns out like, I'd love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram in your stories at ostitchcozycrochet. Can't miss it. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye.